How we make money online fast with YouTube automation. It is possible to use YouTube automation tools to assist in content creation and growth on the platform. It's important to note that relying solely on these tools can potentially harm your channel's performance and reputation. Here are some examples of YouTube automation tools and their potential uses. 1. Video editing tools. Video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, and Final Cut Pro can be used to cut, trim, and merge multiple video clips to create a polished and visually appealing final product. These tools can save you time and effort by automating repetitive tasks and allowing you to adjust effects and transitions for consistency and high quality. These video editing tools offer different levels of features and complexity, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your editing needs and skill level. Experimenting with different software and finding the one that suits your style and workflow can significantly improve your video editing process. 2. Thumbnail generators. Creating catchy, eye-catching, and relevant thumbnails can help entice viewers to click on your videos. Thumbnail generators such as Canva, Adobe Spark, and Fodor can help you generate custom thumbnails that are optimized for YouTube's recommended image size and quality. Some of these tools may also suggest image filters, fonts, and layouts to help increase engagement and clicks. 3. Keyword research tools. Optimizing your videos with relevant keywords and phrases can help improve their searchability and discoverability. Keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you identify popular and relevant keywords to target in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. These tools can help you improve your video's SEO and increase its visibility to potential viewers. 4. Marketing and promotion tools. Growing your audience is an important part of being successful on YouTube. Promoting your content through different marketing channels such as social media platforms, email lists, and other distribution channels can help you reach a wider audience. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer can automate your social media posting, while email marketing tools like MailChimp and Constant Contact can help you reach your subscribers with email newsletters and promotions. By using these marketing and promotion tools, you can automate your social media posting, optimize your YouTube videos for search, and engage with your audience through email marketing. However, it's essential to use these tools wisely and in conjunction with other marketing strategies, such as producing quality content and building relationships with your audience. 5. Comment moderation tools. Engaging with your viewers through comments is an excellent way to build a loyal and engaged audience. Moderating comments to ensure that they are positive and respectful is also important to maintain a positive and inclusive community. Tools like TubeBuddy and Social Blade can help automate comment moderation, while also providing analytics features to help you monitor your channel's performance. While automation can be helpful in streamlining some tasks, it's important to remember that YouTube rewards high-quality content, engagement, and authenticity. Therefore, relying too heavily on automation can result in lower-quality content and decreased engagement, which can ultimately harm your channel's reputation and earning potential. Subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.